Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about 80-20 rule. Yes my friend, 80-20 rule. Those of you who have heard it, you can skip the video. So what is 80-20 rule actually? 80-20 rule means, suppose my friend, you have seen many people who knows everything about almost all industry. Yes my friend, that is the main concept of 80-20 rule. 80-20 rule says that whatever you do, only 20% you have to do. 80% result will come. Like, see my friend, if you try to English, Spanish, Arabic, Urdu, whatever it is, or Hindi, if you try to learn all this language, probably you would come to a point where you won't understand a single language. Yes my friend, so that is the main thing. You just have to focus a little bit of thing which you have to do perfectly so that you can improve your English. You can utilize it in your profession also, in your personal life also. See my friend, if you try to gather all the information about all industry, okay, suppose you are a coder and you are thinking to become a dancer also, and singer also, and actor also, then probably you end up doing nothing if you don't follow the main aspect of learning English, like reading, writing, speaking, listening. If you don't do these things, other whatever you are doing, it's completely waste of time, waste of money, waste of energy. So my friend, no matter whatever profession you are, whatever you are doing, try to do that 20% thing. If you have chosen that yes, I want to learn English, focus. So don't focus on any other language. Urdu, Hindi, Chinese, Russian, German, Spanish, no matter whatever the language, don't focus on those languages, just focus on English. Yes my friend, only English. Same happens with sports. Suppose if you want to learn a sport, just focus on particular sports, that I want to become the best of that particular sport, so that you can learn the sport properly and you can understand the game. Or else if you just switch it off, one day hockey, one day football, one day cricket, probably you end up learning nothing. So my friend, please understand this thing. Understand this thing as soon as possible, that only 20% thing you have to do. No need to do 80 things, only 20% things to learn English or whatever it is. You need to be an expert of a particular thing, not everything, of a particular thing. If you become an expert of that particular thing, you don't have to worry. Yes my friend, you don't have to worry. Now you know that yes, I know English properly. So my friend, please don't try to learn different language at a time. Firstly, learn one language, understand it, try to speak it properly, then you switch it to other languages if it is really needed for your profession. But if you try to learn so many languages at a time, you would end up learning no language. So my friend, focus on one language and master it, then switch it